guys, you are wondering that how did I do this? It is very simple. All you have to do is to keep watching this video and follow me if you want to learn more about video editing. So now guys, this is how the video is supposed to be. This is how you are going to shoot the video. So in order to use that ghost effect now, you will do like this. You move the video to the place where you want to start the ghost effect. Okay, this place. So now all you have to do is to click this button, and click capture and add as layer. So now you will have to click this button, then click here, so that it will the size of the image will increase to cover the screen. So now guys, all you have to do now is to click on the image and go to alpha into brackets opacity, this one, then adjust it like this. So adjust it as you want. So you can adjust it as you want. So I think it is okay now. It is okay like this. So now you have to increase the length of this image to the place where the person will come back again. So now guys, all you have to do now is to click on this out animation and choose fade. Then you can increase the time here. So now click OK. So now let us play the video. So can you see guys? Can you see? It is very simple. So now guys, the name of this app is called KineMaster. Yes, the name of this app is called KineMaster. So guys, if you want to learn more about video editing, just give me a follow and go to my profile. There are many videos that you haven't watched it. There are many tutorials that you have not watched that one before. So you can go to my profile and watch all those videos and learn video editing for free. Guys, this video editing is not something that I am supposed to be teaching for free, because people are collecting money for video editing. So guys, this is a privilege. Follow me if you want to learn more about video editing.